Would you buy a crypto everyone called dead with your last $9? Hi friends, Ellie Harper here, and welcome to Dollar Diaries, where real setbacks turn into real wealth stories. This is James, 24 years old, college dropout, delivering pizzas in Portland. In November 2022, he had $271 in his checking account and a head full of frustration. The market was down. FTX had collapsed. His friends told him to quit crypto. But James? He couldn't let go of one name, Solana. It's over, said Reddit. Dead chain, said Twitter. But James kept watching, reading. That night, James did something irrational, or brave, or both. He skipped his Postmates shift and transferred $250 into Coinbase. He bought 28 Solana at $8.99 each, and whispered to himself, "This is either the dumbest move of my life, or the one that changes it." He didn't tell anyone. Not his ex. Not his mom. Not his boss. He just held. For 6 months, nothing happened. Solana stayed between $14 and $21. James kept working, tipping gas money into his wallet. He DCA'd when he could. Sometimes $15, sometimes $50. One day, $100 from a surprise tip. He never traded, never chased pumps, just quietly stacked. And slowly, Solana moved. Yo, SOL hit $50, his friend texted. James smiled. Yeah, I know. But it wasn't just the money. James started feeling clear. He stopped doom scrolling, started journaling. At $60 SOL, he told his mom. She said, "You did what?" He showed her the math. She cried. By December 2023, Solana hit $100. James' portfolio, $4,800 from a few $100 and the leaf. And then, 2024 arrived. 2024 was Solana's rebirth. AI hype, DeFi surge, meme coins, gas fees on ETH pushed users to SOL. March, $122 May, $147 July, $173 James balance, $16,300. He had never seen 5 figures in his life. But when everyone started posting profits, James felt fear. He asked, do I sell now and finally get ahead? Or stay in and risk it all again? He made a rule, sell 10% at every $20 jump. Protect gains. Let winners run. It worked. In July, he sold 10% at $170 and finally took his mom to dinner. James didn't just win a trade. He won trust in himself. He started learning Rust, built a tiny Solana dev tool, got hired part-time at a Web3 startup. His friends? Still asking him, should I buy SOL now? He smiles and says, you should have asked when I was broke. His balance today? Over $23,000, but that's not the point. James didn't chase hype. He chased clarity. And he found it, in a token most people left for dead. You know, investing isn't just numbers on a screen. It's emotion, grit, silence, and sometimes pizza money turned power. James didn't buy Solana because it was hot. He bought it when it was hated. He didn't flip. He held. He studied. He grew, and that's what real wealth is, not loud wins. Quiet conviction. If he can turn $250 into $23,000 while the world mocked his move, then maybe. Your moment is closer than you think. And I'm Ellie Harper, and this was your Dollar Diary.